Modasa, the engine that drives this country. Modasa is a Peruvian-owned company which was initially launched in the city of Trujillo, starting its first engine manufacturing plant with an area of 100,000 square meters on November the 10th, 1977. Nowadays, Modasa is the leading company in this field, standing out by its technology, constant innovation, high-quality products, and professionalism of its workforce. These attributes have allowed us entering international markets successfully, with presence in more than 20 countries. We have obtained several accreditations such as the International ISO 9001, a 2015 certification that guarantees the quality of our management system, the R66 Bus Rollover Protection certification, and the UL certification, which allows us to export to North America. Modasa Service Division. To satisfy our customer needs, we provide them with the following products and services. Sale of spare parts. We have a wide range of original spare parts that ensure the quality of our maintenance service, bringing long life to your engines and equipment. Our warehouse has a stock of 60,000 items valued at over $6 million. We are the manufacturer's representatives in Peru for Volkswagen, MAN, Perkins, and FPT engines. In addition, we are authorized distributors of the following brands: sale of equipment and engines. In Modasa, we offer a wide range of high-quality products to our clients, coupled with our constant dedication and hard work. The types of products we sell are lighting towers, water pumps, generator sets and used air compressors, engines for generator sets and industrial generators, renting of equipment. We are specialized in renting generator sets, lighting towers, compressors, tandem rollers, and water pumps. We offer the best reliable products on the market due to the excellent technical service we provide to our equipment. Service for generator sets and engines. We provide a guaranteed maintenance and repair service of generator sets and engines since we are an authorized service center for Perkins in Peru. Sale of firefighting systems and pumping equipment. Modasa offers comprehensive firefighting system solutions for different sectors. Our main objective is to protect all type of facilities and safeguard the physical integrity of persons working there. We work with high-quality standards and ensure the compliance of technical standards and national and international regulations, such as the NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, of which we are members. All of our products and services are available in our strategically located stores nationwide. Modasa.